In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cards in Confluence. Cards are a great way to showcase content visually, highlight key links, and make long pages easier to scan. I'll walk you through creating a card section, customizing its look and layout, and adjusting the information that appears on each card. Start by opening your Confluence site and navigating to the space or page where you want cards to appear. Enter edit mode so you can make changes. To add cards, open the Insert Elements menu or simply press the / key to bring up the quick insert. Type cards, then select the cards option to drop a card block onto your page. If you don't see what you need right away, look for the small edit or pencil icon on the card area to open the configuration panel. Let's style the cards first. In the Styles section, go to General to control the size and choose how the cards are displayed. Display as row places cards horizontally across the page, which is perfect for a compact showcase. Stacked arranges them vertically, which is great when you want more room for text. Adjust the background color, text color, and border color to match your page or brand. Aim for strong contrast so titles remain readable. Tweak. Padding for breathing room around content and set the alignment to left, center, or right depending on your design. Under layouts, choose between fixed image height for a tidy grid where images align perfectly, or flexible image height if you prefer images to keep their natural proportions. Fixed is usually best for consistency across multiple cards. Switch to content to define what each card shows. Choose a card type. Manual lets you enter the details yourself, while dynamic can pull information from existing content. In display options, decide whether to show the content owner, the last updated date, and social stats like views or reactions. These can add helpful context without clutter if you use them thoughtfully. You can also select an icon that reinforces the message of the card. Add the essentials. A link to where the card should take readers, a clear title, and a concise description that tells people why the link matters. If you want an image, upload one in the image field for extra visual impact. When you're happy with the setup, choose Add Card. Repeat this process to build out as many cards as you need, keeping your choices consistent so the section looks polished. That's it. Your cards are now ready to guide readers to the most important content on your Confluence page.